Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use sound equalizer of your Astro A30 gaming headset. So when you are connected with your phone, you have to select your headset, then go to the equalizer, and as you can see, we can find two presets. So we can switch them by tapping on each icon right here. We are also able to set our custom preset by tapping on the plus, and here with the sliders we can adjust the currently custom preset, so we can set it up to your own preferences, and then you have to click save when you set it up. And you can also set name, click save button. As you can see, the name is already existed, so I'm gonna put it for the custom second, click save, and as you can see, it appears right here. And right now we are simply able to switch between all of these presets. So it's easy, as you can see. There's no any stuff we can hard stuff to adjust it. And here we can also rename by swiping from this side. Let me show you. So that's how we can swipe, and that's how we can also delete. So for example, let's get rid of this presets, and then we can just go back. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.